I took my ETM RTR to the country. Guys, I really want to go into the cornfields, but I don't want to mess up the corn, you know what I'm saying? Like, can we get in there without... Yeah, I think we're gonna f the corn. This could be a good thumbnail, though. Alright, let's get out of the corn. Not trying to f up a farmer's corn. Oh no, I might have f***ed up one piece. Sorry, bro.
Stock battery or touring? Let's go with touring today. Ooh, this one's heavy.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm not really sure of the purpose of this video, but we got a full battery, a touring battery in the bike. This is the 72 volt, 45 amp hour, huge battery. Just getting this grip moved to the side, but we're just gonna get a quick ride in. I haven't been riding enough, so I figure might as well get out here, bring you guys with me. I'm just gonna enjoy the nice summer weather. Ooh, bunny rabbit, into the fields. Put on some good music first. I'll be honest, I haven't really been rocking the touring battery recently. So I gotta get used to the extra weight again. It is definitely noticeably heavier than stock. Watch out, bunny. Oh, a baby bunny. Noticeably heavier than stock. It's great to have that extra range. Kind of like the benefit of having both, but 9 times out of 10, I won't lie, I'm grabbing the stock battery just because it's lighter. But if I'm ever going to a ride out or riding into a city or anything, I definitely like the idea of having the touring battery. Oh, this thing needs a foot brake. Oh, is that a cop up there? Firefighter, maybe. I am gonna be needing new pads soon. Got them already, just need to install them. It is pretty cool looking at your development. Like, I never used to be able to swerve like that. Now we're Ninox swerving. Yeah, bud. We can stand up. See, what is cool is I can kind of just dart off on this little trail here. Let's go this way. This is where we love the touring battery though, because we can just rip it with no worries. Oh. Woo! We're flying, baby! Oh my God, geese! What's up, boys? Geesies! Yo, they're not even moving. They're not freaking scared by electric. They need to come back on the ground. Oh, it's gonna rain. In case you guys are wondering, the RTR is waterproof. Well, water resistant. Just don't dunk it underwater. Oh! Cry about it. I wasn't sure what the point of this video would be, but I'm just out ripping, enjoying this bike, and it's reminding me how much I fucking love it. Woo! So that's the point of this video. Lead with kindness, it's hard for them to get pissed. All I'm thinking about is how I need new rear brake pads. But we're still going. This neighborhood, it's not a fan of ConnorG. Now I know where I'm at. Yeah, this is very much a main road. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. It's okay, guys. I have a headlight. We'll be fine. Alright, let's go this way, I guess. We're just riding the main freaking roads. Look at us, guys. She cruises. Connor's up. You guys all saw my turn signal, right? Oh, I love pit bikes, dude. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Wait, I already came this way, did I not? Yeah, I did. Oh, no, I should not, bro. Fuck. I did not realize they were planting. I'm not trying to start a beef with a farmer, bro. Look at this road. This is like freshly paved. Hey, Grammy. It's so smooth. Alright, it's gonna rain. Let's get out of here. What in the 20-point turn is going on here? So guys, this is the type of fun you can have on your ETM RTR once you get one with code ConnorG. We're flying. It's about to rain, but I want to keep riding. What the frick? Alright, now we're good to go. Ah, frick. Hey! Just needed a little skip and a jump, eh? That's what I thought, bud. Strike some hands here, bud. Didn't ride out, doesn't count. Ooh, easy there, bud. The no glove hand drags get to you though. That shit gets hot fast. Ooh, fudgers. The whole point of this is to be a chill video, not I need to shut the frick up. Can your Sauron do that, buddy? No, it can't. Yeah, we're done teasing Mother Nature. well guys, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really do think that this ETM RTR, it's one of the best bikes you can get, guys. It's pretty sick. I'm not gonna try and convince you. Hopefully this video kind of showed you how fun it is, but as always guys, thank you for watching. Appreciate y'all. I don't know, I'll see you next time. Peace.